We are at the port of Kusadasi. Right there. We are going with this guy. So we paid for our excursion. She's. Hi, how are you?
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. So I'm gonna be your tour guide. Our driver is waiting for us outside of the port, and we're gonna walk just a few minutes. Okay.
Thank you.
Let me call him.
Now we are outside of the port. See this Nova Cafe. This is where the outside these people are waiting for their ride here. Going to our private transport. We're gonna let you guys see it. So this is our ride. Hello, morning.
And welcome to my country again. Okay. My name is Selda. S-E-L-D-A.
Okay.
You can ask whatever you like. Please don't hesitate to ask anything. And our driver, his name is Sadrettin.
Hello.
Hello.
He's a professional driver. We're gonna be back here safely. Don't worry about anything. So first of all, let me inform you about our schedule. As you know, now we're in Kusadasi. And Kusadasi means Bird Island. You can also say Pigeon Island. And we are heading to this Selçuk town. It's almost 11 miles far away to Kusadasi. Ephesus, Mary's house, the Temple of Artemis, Ephesus Archaeological Museum, Şirince village. Şirince is an old Greek village. There are many old Greek houses over there. And then St. John's Basilica. I want to start from Mary's house.
We are here at the House of Mary, House of Virgin Mary. It has been believed, according to the tourist guide, that this is her last place where she was buried. Oh, no pictures?
But of course, from the outside.
This is an actual church, so there's mass here every Sunday on the weekend. It is beside the old Mary's Church. Malapit sa old church yung mass. This is the House of Mary. Tapos yung brick mali yung sa likod bottom, yun ang old. This is the House of Mary, and you just go through there. Just you're not allowed to pause or speak or make loud noises. And we go up here, and we have donation $1 per candle. And oh, look at that. Here you go. This is for health fountain. All right, we're gonna put my wish on the wishing wall. This one, right there. I didn't know that this was included on the tour, but like
I can drink
hello.
vinegar. If you don't like alcohol, this is apple tea. Tradition of our country is a
It's a Turkish
hospitality.
hospitality.
Exactly. If you like it, there is a white wine and red wine from this region. Is it?
Oh,
So
Yeah, you should, you should.
please come over here.
what is this?
Here, these are apple tea, white wine, and red wine. These are local
This is
wines.
the runway.
This is made from apple cider.
Okay.
So, you know, you can drink whatever you like.
Thank
It's
you.
a Turkish hospitality. Please
All
take
right,
one.
thank you. Okay.
And after this movie show on this runway, my models are going to show you our latest export collection. Very interesting.
Fur is a Turkish company, and the company exports more than 100,000 leather jackets a year to companies and famous brands in Europe, Asia, America, South America and Australia.
What about the driver?
Turkish
Sorry?
lunch.
The driver? He's gonna have his lunch in here in the other car. So, by the way, this is yogurt with carrots. This is fried potatoes, eggplants, green peppers, fried in olive oil, and then we serve them with some tomato sauce. This is yogurt with mint. This is our salad, and we dress our salad with pomegranate sauce. This is not vinegar or not balsamic. This is pomegranate sauce, olive oil, and with salt. I can dress it for you, by the way. And this is the eggplants, roasted eggplants, red peppers, and there is some parsley in it. It has really very nice smoky taste, by the way. So the drinks are extra, you know, during the lunch.
Oh, okay.
So if you would like to drink something, we can order. So would you like me to dress your salads for you?
Sure, because we don't know how to do it.
Yeah, okay. Can you
Yeah.
pass it, please?
We saw this in our Istanbul with our hotel, and like we didn't know, like, okay.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
So
because
you haven't tried them? Little.
we just didn't know what it was.
Alright, I see now.
So this is how you dress it then. I see now. Okay.
Salt, is it okay for you? Yes. Thank you.
And you gotta pull down. That's one tiny nuts in the whole carpet. To finish that nut, she has to do that at least 5 million times.
Oh my god.
And most people, they ask me, why does handmade box is more valuable than a machine made? Come on, machine made, it takes about 2 minutes to make, or 5 minutes, whatever it is. But this is real art. And she has a special scissors, she trims it down, makes it even. She cuts my hair as well. Is there a good haircut?
We are here at the ruins of Ephesus. And you can see the shops.
So that number 35 has the highest quality.
Tickets is 40 euros. Come.
Try to escape from the den.
We are here at the library in Ephesus. Let's see where they are. A lot of people. Excuse me? Up here. This is the library, the main library.
I can't no more.
This is one of the ladies here in the library. Remember, right? And then we come up here. Oh, sorry. And go this way. It's really pretty. Even the marble, the columns are awesome. And you see here is the, I will not say anymore, but just look at the view. Look at the view of these ancient ruins here in Ephesus. It's so hot though today. Matainit po. Sobrang init. Kailangan ng tubig. But it's amazing. So we're going up here in the steps. Going up the steps and the ruins. Go it the hard way. They are a little bit slippery. You have to be careful here.
Across the library there is an building.
Oh.
Actually it's a a beautiful Roman house. Even you can see the stucco used for the walls. Even you can see the courtyard in the middle of the house. So this interesting building, according to some other people, it is called as brothel. So we used to brothel at that time, mostly sailors. But let's think in a different approach and look at the location. Behind of you, you can see the houses of the upper class people. Here in front of you, you can face to the library, and next to the library there is the main shopping center of Ephesus. So I don't think that the brothel is in such a central place, but the interesting thing, it could be the house of a person who run brothels in different parts of Ephesus. That's why it is called a so-called brothel. But of course there are so many stories about that. Some of them say that there was a tunnel under the floor between the library and the brothel.
It's so hot right now. All right, guys, we are about to leave. It's so hot up here, and you see the background is the amphitheater here at the Ephesus. Going up, almost there to the shade, almost there to the shade, almost there.
Si nos vamos en el mismo.
Whew.
By the way, this is one of the main streets of Ephesus. This is called as Harbor Street. And if you walk almost 200 meters, you can reach to the port of Ephesus. So the port used to be at the end of this street. It was made from marble and had been decorated with columns on both sides. And there were lots of shops on the right and left hand side of this street. This is not an amphitheater. Amphitheaters are round-shaped structures like Colosseum in Rome. And there was one in Pergamon, which is amphitheater. This is only ancient theater. It's a Greek-Roman theater. It was first built in the Hellenistic period in 4th century AD. Survived very well, upgraded every century, and finally in the late 2nd century AD it was fully completed by the Romans. You know, Greek.
We just went to the Ephesus.
Inside air condition. Come on. Stop. Weather is up. Come. Stay here.
Stay here.
Come, stay here.
Whew. This is the best cotton here you could buy.
These are Turkish local cotton, man. They makes you cool, very, very fresh. That is linen. That one is linen. This is 100% linen, my own brand. These are pure Turkish cotton.
How much is this one?
This is 80.
Oh, 80.
Yeah. $1 for euros. And this is no crinkle. I want to show you. Okay. Sir, feel it. Touch on. This is soft. It makes you cool because 100% cotton this is.
Hey, good morning everyone. We are here now at Mykonos, Greece. We went and finished up Kusadasi, Turkey yesterday. We had a good time there with a private tour guide. It was really worth it. And today we're gonna explore Mykonos, Greece. And one of the things with the Mykonos, it's a small town, very touristy though. We are docked here at the new port, and we have to go to the old port, and we have to ride either the ferry and then or the bus, and we'll see how it goes. All right, we'll see you later.